Pada bagian ketiga, Laurence dan Midorie memberikan contoh oral training serta menjelaskan apa saja yang harus diperhatikan saat audisi untuk Fakultas Musik. Mari kita simak perbincangan bagian keempat dengan Laurence dan Midorie.
So both of you start a studio which is called Artist Music Studio. Can you tell us more about it?
We have our philosophy about a definition of artist. Artist, we define as a person who inspires others. So the others, it doesn't mean that it's a big group. It could be a small group. 2% is also an artist. 3% or 10, and then in a classroom setting, to a community, and even an international stage. So, and we believe that every single one is as an artist. So we would also thought our student as our artists, because through the teaching, they inspire us to be a better teachers. So that's why we put this name, Artist Music Studios. We hope that we will become an inspiration, for all other musicians as teacher as well. I wouldn't say that we inspired other. We will be mutual, inspirations. Someone inspire us, and we also inspire others at the same time.
Can you tell us about what's the criteria being a good music teacher? It's not only piano teacher, but any musical instrument.
All right. So for a good music teacher, so as long as the teachers this word in there, we understand that we must have a certain criteria to help others to improve. As a teacher, it's just like a hot water, a hot pot. We are using our warmth to increase the temperature for the others around us. Like a hot water and some cold water. So as a teacher, we are warm, and then the student will slowly increase in temperature. Like that is an inspiration. So as teachers, we must have a good principles in life. We must know what we are carrying in life to tell the students. So the other one, we must be very passionate about life as well. And then we must have loving character, must be very interested with others people's life, including the kids. And also as a teachers, we must be an active learner. We must keep learning. We cannot be thought that we are giving the ideas to the other, but we need to keep learning, absorbing to become better, so that to keep up with the knowledge in our world. And we must be a good communicator as well. We cannot be just a good performer and then someone who's very good in executing the instruments, but we must be able to communicate and tell them what is the theory behind it and how to get them inspired. And we, of course, on top of this, we must have a very good knowledge on our own professions. Like as a pianist, we must be good in our instruments as well. And this is one of another important character. We must be very patient. So when we become a parents, we think that we become a better teacher at the same time. So there are a few more. We must be also adaptive to the different learning styles. Every kids are unique. They have born with a different character. We need to use something related to them. I can talk to a boy who loves Transformer, and I turn Transformer into musical explanations. So when this happens, the student will be very much aware and in their own language on the subject. And when also we must be very approachable, because when we have to be serious, but at the same time we must let the student feel that we are approachable. When they have challenge, they must be able to reach us to ask about for help on what they are facing, the difficulties. Yeah, so I think these are the characters. We also put these criteria to share with all our teachers in the studio. Yeah, hope that every one of us will also become a teaching artist. Yeah, to help other students.
I agree with every point that you make. So when you say all the criteria, I'm not. That's true, and that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are coming to an end for our interview. I want to ask about what's your current project and what's your future plan for both of you?
Yeah, for our current plans, I mean, yeah, we are always keep up to date and edit our teaching material. Yeah, like just now we mentioned about the rhythmic patterns and melodic patterns. We have already typed up the curriculums. However, we also will be keep editing that. Yeah, because this is really important to keep the knowledge up to date. And we are thinking about publishing that, yeah, maybe in a digital format, yeah. And yeah, we have some plans to do some kind of digital projects, yeah. We don't disclose here yet, yeah, but we would like that. The idea is we would like to go digital so that we have more people can use it, and not only for students and to help teachers at the same time. Yeah, so that we have provide some good materials that easy accessible. Yeah, then for everyone's to help. Yeah, and more that I think there are more things we are the next projects, the future projects. We are thinking about some things below 4 years old. Yeah, whereas now our curriculums all from 4 and beyond. Then we have quite a lot of inquiry on students below 4. What are they going to do? Yeah, so we are thinking about creating musical appreciation courses to prepare them to the individual lessons. Yeah, this is some projects we are working on. Yeah, for personal projects, we might, as mentioned, we are active learner. We would like to further study. Yeah, we actually exploring some of the part-time master degree, yeah, to further to improve our own skills as well as knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, I wish all the best for your future project, and thank you for coming to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, we would like to thank Ernie as well to invite us for this interview.
Sekian interview kita hari ini. Sampai jumpa.